Hi there, students. Avail. To avail as a verb, or avail as well as a noun. Okay, so to avail oneself of something. Normally the object of the verb avail is a person. So he availed himself of the offer. To use, to take advantage of, to profit from. Okay, so he availed himself of the opportunity to travel. He availed himself of all the public services that were available. Yeah, to use something. All my efforts availed me nothing. They did not help. So notice normally to avail someone of something. Yeah, someone avails themselves because normally they help themselves, they decide themselves, they use it themselves. So to avail oneself of something. I availed myself of the opportunity to visit Buckingham Palace. I was given the offer and I took the offer. Okay, as a noun, avail normally means help, advantage, gain, purpose, use. And we normally very often have this phrase of no avail, of little avail. So it says that something wasn't effective. I tried to change his mind, but of no avail. I bailed the water out of the boat, but to little avail because the water was coming in faster than I could bail it out. So here, avail, no advantage, no benefit, no help, no profit. Yeah, nothing positive to it. I laboured away to no avail, to no use, to no benefit, with no gain. And then to avail yourself of something, to make use of it, to use it to your advantage. Notice avail on its own may be to help. So nothing could avail the patient's pain. Yeah. Halfway measures will not avail. Yeah, they will be of no use. They will not serve. Yeah. Nothing you do will avail, will be of any use. Her help was of no avail. Yeah, I availed myself of her help, but her help was of no avail. So I took advantage, I used her help, but her help wasn't effective. It didn't help me achieve the goal. His efforts were to no avail. But if you're staying at a hotel, you should avail yourself of all the facilities that are available. Yeah, it's of no avail to do something that will have no effect. They've been doing all sorts of things to try to stop this COVID epidemic, but to no avail. Most of the policies they implemented were to no avail. Yeah. But then to avail oneself of something, to use something, yeah, to make use of it, to have an effect of it, yeah. Okay, so to avail. Let's see, how formal is this? To avail oneself of something. I'm going to give that a 7 in formality, yeah. To use something available. Yeah, or just to take the opportunity. Yeah, use what's on offer, and then of little avail, of no avail. I'm going to give this a 6 in formality. You might just use of no avail in an informal conversation, but maybe you just say in vain or to no effect. Yeah? So I think you should avail yourself of every opportunity you get to speak English. Take the opportunity, use the chance, and that's to avail yourself of something. Okay, what about origin? Well, okay, it comes from avail or avail in Old French, from value, valor, to be worth. Yeah, so avail of worth, if you like. Yeah, to have worth, to be worth. Yeah, so to no avail, it's just not worth it. It doesn't make any difference. Okay, so I would suggest you avail yourself of a good dictionary. Make use of one, and try to do things that are useful, not things that are to no avail. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Avail.